Best Luxury Small Car for 2025 to 2024 BMW 2 Series. As 2025 approaches, the 2024 BMW 2 Series has emerged as the best luxury small car of the year. This accolade highlights the 2 Series' remarkable combination of dynamic performance, upscale design, and advanced technology. With its refined handling and sophisticated features, the 2 Series continues to appeal to driving enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. Dynamic performance and handling. The 2024 BMW 2 Series is celebrated for its thrilling driving experience. The lineup includes several impressive variants, starting with the 230i, which is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine generating 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain delivers brisk acceleration and a responsive driving feel, making daily commutes and spirited drives equally enjoyable. For those seeking even more performance, the M240i xDrive variant features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine producing 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This model, equipped with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, offers exceptional traction and stability, enhancing both acceleration and cornering prowess. The M240i's adaptive M suspension and variable ratio steering contribute to a precise and engaging driving experience, solidifying its place as a standout in the luxury small car segment. Elegant design and premium interior. The 2024 BMW 2 Series boasts a sleek and modern design that commands attention. Its aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create a sporty and sophisticated appearance. The coupe's compact size and low stance add to its dynamic presence on the road. Inside, the 2 Series offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. High-quality materials, such as leather upholstery and brushed aluminum or wood trim, create an upscale atmosphere. The front seats are designed for comfort and support, while the rear seats provide adequate space for passengers. The driver-centric layout ensures that controls are easily accessible, enhancing the overall driving experience. Cutting-edge technology and connectivity. The 2024 BMW 2 Series is equipped with advanced technology to keep drivers connected and informed. The central infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with BMW's iDrive 8 software, offering intuitive controls and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the latest features and enhancements are always available. Additional technology includes a customizable digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and an optional Harman Kardon premium audio system, providing a high-quality audio experience. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2024 BMW 2 Series, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard technologies include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure a safer driving experience. Market impact and availability. The 2024 BMW 2 Series has made a significant impact in the luxury small car market, praised for its blend of performance, luxury, and technology. Its competitive pricing and range of configurations make it an appealing choice for buyers seeking a premium driving experience. Available at BMW dealerships nationwide, the 2 Series continues to attract a wide range of enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW 2 Series stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect combination of dynamic performance, elegant design, and advanced technology. With its luxurious interior, cutting-edge features, and engaging driving dynamics, the 2 Series delivers an exceptional driving experience that meets the high expectations of today's luxury car buyers.